Good morning, children. Today we are going to begin with Unit 6. In this unit, there are 2 poems and a chapter. Yes, today we are going to do these 2 poems, The Donkey and I Had a Little Pony, because these 2 poems are in a chapter. So let's begin the recitation of this poem. If I had a donkey and he wouldn't go, would I wallop him? No, no, no. I would find a little hay and give him some corn. Then he would be the best donkey that ever was born. And the poet is Margaret S. Russell. In this poem, a boy is trying to tell us that if I had a donkey, he is saying अगर मेरे पास कोई donkey होता and he wouldn't go according to me. Suppose I am ordering him to go somewhere, and if he is not obeying me, would I wallop him? Wallop here wallop means would I beat him? Beat उसको मारना, rebuke डांटना. क्या मैं उसे मारता डांटता? No, 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 नहीं. In fact, I would find a little hay. Hay means चारा. जो भी animals होते हैं वो चारा खाते हैं, वो hay means चारा. In fact, I would find a little hay and give him some corn. The boy is trying to tell us here that वो उसके लिए चारा ढूंढता और उसको थोड़े से corn देता. Then he would be the best donkey that ever was born. And after eating that hay and corn, of course the donkey will obey the boy order. और तब वो क्या बन जाता? That donkey becomes the best donkey जो अभी तक born हुआ था. Yes, children. In this way, this poem ends here. Now, let's begin with another poem. These 2 poems are in a same chapter. Next poem is I Had a Little Pony. Now, what is pony here? Pony क्या है बच्चों? Pony is a small horse. A small horse. Like small जो वो डॉगी का बेबी होता है उसको हम पपी बोलते हैं. ऐसे ही हॉर्स का जो बेबी है that is called as pony, a small horse. Yes, let's begin with the poem now. I had a little pony. His name was Dapple Grey. I lent him to a lady to ride a mile away. She whipped him, she lashed him, she drove him through the mire. I wouldn't lend my pony now for all the ladies hire. In this poem, this girl is very attached to the pony. I had a little pony. His name was Dapple Grey. वो कहती है मेरे पास little pony थी और उसका नेम क्या था? Was Dapple Grey. Dapple Grey उसका नाम था. I lent him to a lady. मैंने उसको एक लेडी को दिया. To ride a mile away. कुछ दूर जाने के लिए, उस पर सवारी करने के लिए. She whipped him. She lashed him. What is the meaning of whipped here, children? Whipped होता है किसी चीज़ से बहुत बुरी तरह से मारना. To beat mercilessly. Mercilessly means दया के बिना, दया ना करना बिल्कुल भी. To beat mercilessly. Next him. She lashed him. Lashed. What is the meaning of lashed here? Lashed means rebuke, डांटना. That lady beated the pony and rebuked the pony. उसने लेडी ने हॉर्स को बहुत बुरी तरह से मारा और उसको डांटा. She drove him through the mire. Mire, ये mire क्या है? Mire means a difficult path. A messy, you can say. Messy means जो बुरी तरह से, a very difficult situation that is very difficult to cross. A messy path. शी ड्रव हिम थ्रू द मायर. बहुत ऐसा मुश्किलों भरा रास्ता था जिसको क्रॉस करना बहुत मुश्किल था. वो लेडी उसको वहाँ तक लेकर गई. शी ड्रव हिम थ्रू द मायर. आई वुडंट लेंड माई पोनी नाउ फॉर ऑल द लेडीज हायर. अब वो कहती है मैं अपना पोनी किसी को नहीं दूंगी. अब चाहे कोई भी लेडी उसको हायर करने के लिए आए, मतलब उसको मांगने के लिए आए वो मुझसे, लेकिन अब मैं अपना पोनी किसी को नहीं दूंगी. Yes, children. Now let's discuss the new words of both the poems. Donkey, wallop. Wallop means डांटना. Lady, you know, whipped. Whipped मतलब to beat. To beat mercilessly. Lent. Lent होता है किसी को उधार देना. Lashed, डांटना. Mire, मैंने आपको बताया, a messy path, a very difficult situation to cross. हायर होता है किसी से कोई चीज़ लेना, मांगना. दिस इज हायर. सो चिल्ड्रन, टुडे वी हैव डिस्कस्ड दीज टू पोएम्स एंड योर होमवर्क इज टू रिसाइट दीज टू पोएम्स एंड राइट देम इन योर नोटबुक. ऑल्सो राइट डाउन दीज न्यू वर्ड्स with their meanings in the notebook. Thank you children, that's it for today.